Yes, welcome. Let's try to look at application writing another format, because we have different formats that we have passed through. You can check onto our channel, Northbridge Technologies, for more of these other formats. When, well, when we are writing applications, in here we are trying to look at what exactly Microsoft Word can do. These are the types, because we have learned about Microsoft Word, but we want to look deep. What really can Microsoft Word application do? These are the things that it can do very well. So in here, we are going to look at how to write application using Microsoft Word. Briefly, we have looked through different types. Now let's continue looking at them. In here, we may continue to have, for instance, we may continue, then we say open new. We may open new. Let's open a new project. We may we may have this. Let's start on scratch. Shall start on scratch. Let's go to, well, you will start from all programs, then you continue as the normal business, all programs into all programs, then uh, you pick Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Office, you pick Microsoft Word. Well, we can as well get a new blank document. Onto a new blank document, then we can start here and we phrase, we'll try to do the needful. Let me just copy this due to time. Matter of time, let's have this. It could be like there. Let's go and copy another. Here we are trying to show the formats, the different formats that we could be having. So you see, we are now using tools in Microsoft Word. Well, due to time, we may as well say let's end there with that. So briefly, we are trying to look at the feasible or things that we can as well use in Microsoft Word. We can go and have this. You do the alignment as you saw in the beginning. Let's say you have typed this, you can align it in the center, or and this the date you align it in the right alignment, then this one could stay here. We have application for a customer service assistant. For so long that we have been having, this reference was down here. In very many instances, you could see the subject of the matter, it's down here. But in this format, we have it on the top. Application for a customer service assistant. Then you write your address. This is what we call your address. This one, it's what we majorly call your address. So what you see here, it's your address. Then what you see this other side, it's the address of the person you're asking for. Maybe it could be a contract A, or it could be you want to inquire whether, for instance, it's not all the time that we have to write applications to ask for jobs. You may even write application inquiring whether they have that job. So instead of them going to announce or going advert to put the job or to look for people, you have already put there your application in one way or another. So you may inquire. So let's try to inquire. Application for a customer service assistant. You are applying, uh, though the job has not been really advertised, but you are inquiring. So in here, uh, I may not uh, advise you to use exactly my words, but you can. We are trying to look at different ways. I am writing to inquire. I'm writing to inquire whether you have a vacancy, because you may have had, but you're not so sure whether that job is still there in your company. You specify the job, because you may not just be uh, just right. You have to specify customer service assistant. I enclose a copy of my curriculum vitae for your consideration. Yeah, your consideration. As it is expressed in the CV. It means even the curriculum vitae you're going to show. You're going to attach it with your application. Over cultural vitae. I'm currently working for. I'm currently, comma. I'm currently working for your current employee plan, yeah, as a customer service assistant. As a customer service assistant. In my present position, I deliver first-class customer service. In my position, I deliver first class customer service. My position, I deliver so in here you are trying to build your story, or you're trying to show to in place. So I may end here. Well, I may not go deep to you can put your words as you may feel. It could not necessarily be the ones that I've used, but you may continue to use the suitable words for your application. So, but tentatively, we have seen the template, how the template looks like. So, uh, you may continue until you close. You may continue with the suitable words that you feel that may work until you close. Uh, I would, I would be very grateful mm, if you would contact me. Contact me. You have to show the confidence. If you have any vacancy, you may continue with whatever you feel like. Then you may enclose your application. Yours sincerely, or you may say yours in service, because you've been working with them, in case, or any other word that may really make sense. So you can put your names or handwritten signature. You can put your name, or you can as well put your handwritten signature. So briefly, those are the few steps in case you have used this type of application. So if you have used this type of application here, uh, you may have finished to do the needful, because many of us will use the same types, but even this one is very professional when it comes to writing applications. Briefly, I may end here for now.